we're back in the car. It's another Monday. So what are we doing? We're going to have another look at a boat. This is my brother's boat, 1850, with a 2.4 200 on it. So we're going to meet him at his shop, High Spool Industries. We're going to get this thing going. He's had the motor for a little while. Bought it on my 1750. Well, he bought it on his 1750 at the time. Now I bought that off him. So yeah, we're going to go and have a look at this thing. Angelo's meeting me out here and see if we can get it running. Stay tuned. Back, Angelo. It's another Monday, isn't it? Hey?
Merc Monday, mate.
What do we do on Mondays? We play boats.
Hey, Merc, mate. Merc.
So we've got my brother's 2.4 on his 1850. Shout out to Red Dog, actually. 2.4. Red Dog is a 2.4. Angelo, is it a 2.4?
2.4, I think it is.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a 2.4.
Could be.
Yeah. So we're just here at High Spool Industries. Just getting this little bad girl ready for summer. Just going to whack this on and, yeah. The old bullet here. Hey? 2.4. Yeah, no, definitely a 2.4.
Yep.
So we've got 1850 foot bullet. Used to be called Bullet Hero. So a little backstory. My family used to own this about 20 years ago. We sold it and Dad bought a tractor. So you can see the DC water stickers. So that's still on the boat. I actually put that on the boat 22 years ago, somewhere there. So it was on a different trailer. We put it on this trailer. And yeah, we're going to go.
Why did you say Dad bought a tractor like that, bro?
Oh, just because he bought a tractor.
You didn't have as much fun in the tractor?
No, we didn't enjoy. I mean, we did at the time, but should have kept the boat. But anyway, it's funny how things come around in circles, isn't it? Now we're back into it. So, what do we got?
Can do with the headaches your dad did.
Yeah, 3 sons. 3 sons. So it was called My 3 Sons. It was Bullet Hero. Dad changed it to My 3 Sons, and now the 3 sons have got 4 boats between them. So, good times, isn't it, Ange? Good times, buddy.
I love it.
All right, let's give this thing a go.
A few moments later.
We know she's a runner, so she goes all right. She's all good. We've just got to put some cowlings on her. Put the interior back in the boat, and then I'll rewire and put control box and everything back in, and she'll be good to go. So she'll be on the river in a couple of weeks. I should have her on the river. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Always upcoming. It's got the Project 1750 coming. We've also got, what else we got? Rebuild on the Project 1750. We'll have Eleanor back, and we'll have this thing on the water. See you soon.